Hi, it's Dr. Margo, Emami of RAMD, and I am here today with my beautiful patient, Ely. Ely, tell me a little bit about why you came in today.
I came in today because I had twins 2 years ago, and after my pregnancy, I wanted to get my body back. And after, a year of working out and eating healthy, I just felt like my stomach just wasn't back to what it was before, and I was looking for a solution to get it back to how it was.
And this is a problem that many women face. I mean, if you've had a child or if you're just simply going through the stages of life, we experience some skin laxity, a little bit of extra fat around the midline, sometimes stretch marks, sometimes scars from various surgeries. So this is such a common problem for not just women, but also for men too. And so it's been very hard in the past without surgery to kind of get the results that we're looking for, but we have an amazing new technology called Morpheus 8 Body that is just tailored for these issues. And so that's what we're going to be doing today with Ely. And you've heard me talk a lot about Morpheus 8 before. It is radio frequency microneedling. I do it a lot on the face as well as on the body. And in fact, Ely, you had it done on your face as well. And what did you think of that treatment?
I absolutely love it. I recommend it to everyone. And I am the number one Morpheus fan because it makes such a difference in the way my skin looks and feels. And I look younger, my skin looks brighter, the pores have smaller pores now, and it was an easy procedure, and it didn't take time away from my family. It was done, and it was quick.
So that's what we're all looking for, really, is something that has a positive impact on our life, while at the same time having a small impact on our ability to spend time with our family, in our work, with all the things that we have to do. And so Morpheus allows us to do that because there's such little downtime with it. And the way we do it here, it's a very comfortable procedure as well. So this is the Morpheus face, and this is what we've done on Ely before. And it's just a little gun handpiece. This has 24 pins in it, and this helps to remodel fat, tighten skin, decrease pore size, help with skin texture, help with acne scarring, all the things that we want to do to have great skin. Morpheus Body sets itself apart from standard Morpheus, and this is Morpheus Body in that some really important differences. One, it has 40 pins. So for larger areas of the body, like the flanks, like the abdomen, like the legs, like the behind, this is what you really need, is more pins. You're able to cover the area faster. And then it has something else that's really special, and that is 3D burst technology. So what we're doing is really getting deep dermal heating into those fat layers, and we're also able to treat 3 layers of the skin at the same time. So it's more efficient, it's faster, and you get a safer treatment because you're not having to do as many passes, so you get less skin redness and swelling. So we're able to melt fat deep in the abdomen or anywhere else in the body. We're also able to tighten skin. We're also able to make the texture of the skin look better and address scars and stretch marks. So it really addresses a whole host of things, and it can be used on any skin type, which is really a benefit. So we're going to be doing this today with Ely.
So excited.
She's been waiting for this.
Yes.
And what I'd like to say with this technology is, whether you're looking to avoid surgery, which I will never say that these treatments are the equivalent of surgery, but whether you're looking to do something short of surgery, or whether you're looking at potentially getting surgery down the line, this technology helps you whether you're going to have surgery or not going to have surgery, because the skin will be better. And that way, no matter what you choose to do, you're going to heal faster and respond better. So I always say, no matter what you choose, Morpheus is always a great treatment to have. here today doing the Morpheus 8 3D burst treatment on my beautiful patient Ely, and her abdomen is all nice and numb. We've injected it so she's not going to have any pain at all. And I'm going to show you, if you can zoom in on this little device, what it's going to do. It is actually going to do one of these and treat 3 layers of the skin, if you can see that. So the fat and the skin itself. And I'm gonna do a little demonstration here, and Ely, you're gonna let me know if this is comfortable for you. 1, 2, 3. Did you feel anything?
Not at all. No pain.
No pain. So I know Kim Kardashian had this procedure and said it was super fantastic and life-changing, but painful. But in our office, there's no pain. We just finished with our Morpheus 8 body treatment using the 3D burst technology to tighten skin and melt some fat. This is how it looks characteristically: a little red, a little swollen. That's totally normal. And then this is going to heal up over the next week or so. And how was the procedure for you, Ely?
It was quick and painless, which is perfect. It's what I expected.
Perfect, that's exactly what we want. And we're gonna finish up by putting Ely's growth factors from her platelet-rich plasma, injecting them and putting them topically over the area to help with healing. And then Ely's gonna come and see me in a couple of days, and we're gonna check everything out. But she did absolutely great. So thank you for letting us share your journey, Ely.
Thank you.
Hi, it's Dr. Margo, our Emami of RAMD, and I'm here with my beautiful patient Ely, and we are 1 month status post her Morpheus 8 body treatment. So how's the experience been for you so far, Ely?
It's been great. It's just painless, easy, and the results, I know I'm supposed to be waiting 4 months to see the results, but I can already tell the difference in my skin texture and the elasticity of my skin. I'm super happy with it.
Oh, I'm so glad. We love Morpheus 8 Body. It is a radio frequency treatment that tightens the skin, melts fat, and helps reduce the appearance of scars. So if you're trying to get your body back after you've had a baby, or just trying to have a tighter abdomen, it is such a wonderful treatment. We do say it's going to take about 3 months before you see the fat cells shrink up, and about 4 to 6 months before you see the skin really tighten. And some patients do need up to 3 treatments, and we like to get those done between 6 months and a year, but we do really see beautiful results. So I'm so glad you're happy with the experience so far.
I can't wait for my next treatment because it's gonna be amazing. I'm gonna be back to my pre-pregnancy body, which is what I wanted.
Which is what everybody wants, right? And to do it in a way that's comfortable, without downtime, without surgical scars, low risk, and also something that's really easy and fits into your lifestyle. Did you find the process in healing difficult at all?
Not at all. I just included all of the lotions into my night routine, and I felt like it was pretty easy to do. Nothing really changed, and except for my stomach feeling more flat and tighter. Yes.
And that's what we want to do for our patients. We want to make it really, really easy for you, so it doesn't affect your life other than what you'd be doing normally. And so we put together this whole program for our Morpheus 8 body patients and for our Morpheus 8 face and neck patients, so that you're getting all the nutrition, and then for your skin from the inside and the outside, so you're going to maximize your collagen production and really maximize your results. So I'm so happy that you're here with us today and that you're doing so great with the procedure.
And thank you so much.
You're welcome. It's my pleasure. So if you're interested in Morpheus 8 Body, we're here to help you. Please don't hesitate to reach out to us. And once again, this is Margo, our Emami of RAMD. So it's Dr. Margo, our Emami of RAMD, and we have beautiful Lynn hooked up to the Transform handpiece of the Evolve X. So how does it feel so far, Lynn?
It feels like I'm getting a hot stone massage. This is amazing.
It's so relaxing,
No
isn't it?
pain at all. I'm
Yeah.
surprised.
Yeah, it's a really relaxing treatment. On Lynn, because she's so fit and small, we are using only 3 of those electrodes, and they're going to heat up to 43 degrees. We're going to keep it there for an hour so she gets a really good treatment. And like I said, we recommend about 6 of these. And it's very comfortable as it's heating up. And then as well as the heat, we're going to start to give a little muscle stimulation as well. So because Lynn is so fit, we don't need to go up very high on that because she's going to get really good muscle stimulation even with a little bit of energy. So I'm going to start to turn that up, Lynn, and you let me know how you feel with
All
that,
right.
okay? So we're at 6 right now, which is a really low level. And then if you watch Lynn's stomach, you're going to start to see those muscles contract. So you can start to feel the muscles grip and contract. And so she's going to get a really nice workout and some really
A lot of
great
sit-ups
yeah,
right
a lot
now.
of
And
sit-ups.
I'm just laying here, and I could be getting a hydrofacial. You said while I'm doing this. This is amazing.
Oh, amazing! Yes,
That's great.
That's one of the things we love to do in our office is combine therapies. If you're going to be here for an hour, it's totally your choice. You can take a nap. You can read a book, you can work if you have things that you like to do, or my preference, get a hydrofacial while you're here, get your Botox done, get a forma of your face to tighten the skin here, or any other procedure that you'd like to do. So it is a really well spent time.
Wow, it's like being at the spa. This is great. There's no pain.
Yeah.
But I'm getting gain, right?
It's right, no pain and gain. That's what we like to call the RAMD experience. Well, thank you, Lynn. We're going
Thank
to
you.
follow your progress and we're going to let you enjoy this treatment.
It's amazing. I'm
And-
excited to find out the results. Like,
Yeah,
It's amazing.
and we'll be checking in with you every step of the way. Hi, it's Dr. Margo, our Emami of RAMD, and I am here today with the beautiful Lynn Curtin of Housewives of Orange County and Lynn Curtin Jewelry Designs. How are you today,
Oh,
Lynn?
great. Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Of course, it's my pleasure. So today we're doing the Evolve X treatment. Now the first time we did Transform on Lynn, and Transform strengthens muscle, tightens the skin, and melts fat. But Lynn is so in shape. I mean, her muscles are amazing. She has no fat on her body whatsoever, and she's also very petite. So today we're going to demonstrate for somebody like Lynn what would be a good treatment on the Evolve X platform, and that is the trim head. Now you can see that here's trim and here is transform, and the transform is a bigger head. It's going to stimulate the muscle as well as melt fat. The energy goes deeper, and for somebody very thin like Lynn who has really good muscle tone, we're going to use the trim. The trim is a more petite little head, and it is going to tighten skin. So for all of us who want to tighten that skin, whether it's from childbirth or just time passing, this is the little treatment. And for those of us who want to melt a little bit more fat, get a little bit of muscle stimulation and tone, Transform is the treatment. So we're going to demonstrate the trim on Lynn today, and we'll show you what that's like. And as promised, we are back with Lynn Curtin getting our fabulous trim treatment on the Evolve X platform. And Lynn, you have something important coming up.
Yes, I have a Hawaii vacation, so I got to get bikini ready. So I'm excited.
So today we're going to be tightening skin. Lynn is completely in shape, has great muscle tone, and is very thin, and as you can see, she's itty bitty, but we all like to tighten that skin, especially when we know we're going to be getting in a bikini. So we're going to be doing that treatment today, and then you can follow up with us on Instagram, ramd.com, and our YouTube channel. Normally, when you have these treatments, you could come in and get a hydrofacial at the same time.
Okay.
You could get your Botox done at the same time.
Oh, nice.
You could do all of those things all at the same time that you're doing this, so
Wow.
it makes it really efficient.
That's
That you can really
You
utilize
could be
your
getting a
time well.
hydrofacial while you're doing this right now.
100%. You could be doing a hydrofacial right now.
Wow.
So we call clean and lean.
Yeah, exactly. You can do it all. One-stop shop.
One-stop shop.
I love it.
Hi, it's Margo, our Emami from RAMD, and as you can see, I'm hooked up to our new device, AccuFit. I have these 8 electrodes on my abdomen, and they are going to run me through 30 minutes of 4 different exercises, 4 sets each, to tone, strengthen, build endurance, and decrease fat. So this is going to functionally work out my abdomen muscles just the same way as if I were at the gym, but without breaking a sweat. I'm about to start on my second AccuFit treatment. Yesterday I did my glutes. On Monday I did my first abs. So today we're going to do abs, and we're going to turn it up to about 60%. I started out at about 50, and now I'm going to go to 60. We're going to place these 8 electrodes on my obliques and on my rectus. It's going to completely engage the entire core, and we're going to show you what those exercises look like. It's going to be almost 70,000 reps in 30 minutes, going through 4 sets of exercises, and we'll give you a sneak peek. So I'm in the middle of my AccuFit treatment of my abs, and I'm going through these 4 exercises. Right now I am on twist. So that is if I were just moving from side to side and moving my obliques. And then I'm going to go to hold, which would be if I were doing a crunch or a plank. So right now it's going to be a crunch or a plank, and you can definitely feel the abdominal hold as that starts, and it's really quite an intense feeling. Oh, I can feel it right now. It's really quite intense. And then after that, we'll go to the third exercise, which is my favorite, which is grip. And grip is if you were doing the obliques and the rectus, like a Russian twist. That's actually one of my favorite exercises. Maybe that's why I like that third one so much, because you're really engaging both the rectus, the lower abs, and the obliques. And I really love to engage my obliques because I love that cut in kind of corset look. So that's my favorite. And then lastly is tap. And tap is going to engage the entire core at the same time, as if you were fluttering your legs. So you're really going to, and it's also going to provide some relaxation to the muscles. So you'll get a bit of a stretch in the first one, the twist. As you contract one oblique, you're going to stretch the other oblique. And then that's going to kind of warm you up for the next step, which is the hold, which I find the most intense as doing, crunches or planks. And then the grip, which is my favorite. I always put a Russian twist in every workout that I do. And lastly, the tap, which is kind of the relaxation phase of all of the muscles at the same time that you're engaging them. So it's really unique. And it's going to go through these 4 sets of exercises over and over again for 30 minutes up to 70,000 reps. So you can feel it happening. It is kind of relaxing once you get used to the sensation. I mean, I could actually fall asleep if I weren't engaging. So every time I've gone up, now I'm at 60%. I think that's a really good place for me to hang out. It feels intense enough, like I'm getting a workout, and I'm already seeing results. I mean, this is the 3rd day of my program, and I'm already losing weight, and I'm already seeing results. And the most interesting thing is I have a scale that shows the percentage of body fat and the percentage of lean muscle mass. And my percentage of body fat has already gone down, and my lean muscle mass has already gone up since I've started this program. I was shocked. I got on the scale this morning just to check it out. I've already lost some weight, and my percentages have changed. So I'm really happy with my results so far, and it's only day 3, and everything's going great. So I hope you enjoy following along with me. I'll be back tomorrow when we talk about day 4, and once again we'll do a gluteal treatment as well. So once again, this is Dr. Margo, Emami of RAMD.